Superman!
Wow.
Look at those claws. Look at this thing. It's looking at her like, yo, what are you doing, bro? The only thing Lisa has done has activated the light in the garage. The motion sense. Do you see this? Yep. That's me, guys.
Get him, baby! Get him! Get him! I'm scared. This is my pet. My pet Tyrannosaurus? Is that what it's called?
Triceratops.
Triceratops.
What? Say that one more time.
Triceratops?
Triceratops.
Triceratops.
Baby, three horns. Triceratops.
Triceratops. Triceratops. Yeah.
Lisa was definitely hitting that red rum, bro.
No, I can't normally say it anyway. One shark, two sharks. How many sharks can you get? Wow! Thank you.
Dares enter the master's abode. Your soul shall be vanquished in the deepest, darkest dungeon if you do not leave now.
Well, wasn't exactly what we planned, but it still turned out to be a pretty good night. And that's exactly how life is. It doesn't always go to plan. But if you roll with it, you'll still end up having fun. Happy holidays, guys.